Today, Apple is carbon neutral for our global corporate operations. Our offices, stores, and data centers run on 100% renewable energy, and we're proud of how far we've come. But by 2030, we plan to have net zero climate impact across our entire business, including our manufacturing supply chain and all product life cycles. This means that every Apple device sold, from material collection, component manufacturing, assembly, transport, customer use, charging, all the way through recycling and material recovery, will be 100% carbon neutral. Many of iPhone 12's environmental features build on our past progress, removing harmful chemicals and using renewable and recyclable materials. And now, for the first time, we're using 100% recycled rare earth elements in all magnets, including the camera, haptics, and MagSafe. We've also been transitioning our iPhone manufacturing partners to renewable energy. And just like we did with Apple Watch, we looked for ways to cut waste and use less material. Customers already have over 700 million Lightning headphones. And many customers have moved to a wireless experience with AirPods, Beats, or other wireless headphones. And there are also over 2 billion Apple Power adapters out in the world, and that's not counting the billions of third-party adapters. So we are removing these items from the iPhone box, which reduces carbon emissions and avoids the mining and use of precious materials. Removing these items also means a smaller, lighter iPhone box. We can fit up to 70% more products on a shipping pallet, reducing carbon emissions in our global logistics chain. Taken all together, the changes we've made for iPhone 12 cut over 2 million metric tons of carbon emissions annually. It's like removing 450,000 cars from the road per year. This is huge, and we're really proud that Apple is taking the lead. We hope others will follow, making this impact even bigger for our planet. Back to you, Cayenne.
Now, every iPhone will include the more advanced and higher power USB-C to Lightning cable. It can be used with any standard USB-C power adapter or computer port, and USB-C enables fast charging. So that's iPhone 12 with 5G. But to add to all these big announcements, we also wanted to do something a little different. Something only Apple would do. With its amazing size, it fits in the palm of your hand, while still keeping the expansive edge-to-edge Super Retina XDR display. It's smaller and lighter than our 4.7-inch models like iPhone 8, but with a larger 5.4-inch display that lets you see so much more. With its compact size, the iPhone 12 mini has the exact same features as iPhone 12. You're just choosing between two great sizes. In fact, iPhone 12 mini is the smallest, thinnest, and lightest 5G phone in the world. With its large screen and compact size, we think this will be an incredibly popular iPhone. Everything on iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini is the latest. 5G, the fastest chip with A14 Bionic, most advanced display with OLED, all-new design with ceramic shield, even better water resistance, new cameras for low light, and MagSafe. Let's see everything iPhone 12 can do. Even with these huge updates, the iPhone 12 lineup will start at just $699 for iPhone 12 mini and $799 for iPhone 12. We also have great financing options from Apple as well as our partners. This includes a very special offer from Verizon. If you trade in an iPhone 10 or newer, you can get iPhone 12 starting at $15 per month for 24 months, or iPhone 12 mini for just $12 per month. This is an unprecedented leap forward for iPhone. There is simply nothing like iPhone 12. Back to you, Tim.
iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini are absolutely amazing. They are the start of a new era for iPhone. Yet that's just half of our iPhone story today. We want to take it even further with our Pro line of iPhones. And here they are. This is iPhone 12 Pro. I'd like to hand it over to Jaws to tell you all about it.
iPhone 12 Pro is designed for our users who want the absolute most from their iPhone. It takes our new design even further with premium materials. This includes a durable and beautiful surgical-grade stainless steel band and precision-milled back glass. They come in 4 new finishes, including an elegant silver, a rich deep graphite, a stunning gold, and an all-new Pacific blue. They're engineered with an advanced PVD process that provides a spectacular luster. And our new gold uses a high-power magnetron coating process that gives the stainless steel a stunning bright gold finish. The Pro models also feature our incredibly durable ceramic shield. And these models have best-in-class water and dust resistance with an IP68 rating, so they can withstand submersion at up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. The Pro design is complemented beautifully with our new MagSafe accessories, which provide easy and secure attachment and high-power charging. iPhone 12 Pro features our industry-leading Super Retina XDR displays. We were able to go from today's 5.8-inch to a much larger 6.1-inch display. And iPhone 12 Pro Max increases from today's 6.5-inch to a more expansive 6.7-inch display. We were able to grow these displays but keep the form factors nearly identical. So for people who want our biggest displays, this is the largest display ever in an iPhone, with our highest resolution, featuring nearly 3.5 million pixels. HDR video comes to life. High-resolution HDR movies and TV shows that you stream over 5G will look amazing. Our Pro models are packed with Pro-level performance. While our competition is scrambling to catch up with our chips from last year, we remain generations ahead. And our advantages go beyond the CPU and GPU. Together with our image signal processor, or ISP, they enable powerful computational photography for camera experiences that simply are not possible with traditional cameras. For example, Deep Fusion uses machine learning on the neural engine for pixel-by-pixel processing of photos with unprecedented detail, texture, and minimal noise. To accomplish this, Deep Fusion uses all of the compute engines of the A14. Our camera sensor captures multiple images and processes them through the ISP. The CPU computes the alignment of the frames. The GPU pre-processes the images before running them through the neural engine. And then there's additional post-processing done in the GPU. With A14 Bionic, we are able to bring Deep Fusion to all 4 cameras of iPhone 12 Pro, including the front-facing True Depth camera. We combine state-of-the-art camera hardware with this amazing compute power to create a Pro camera system that is unlike any other device. iPhone 12 Pro features our amazing ultra-wide camera with the 120-degree field of view, and our new wide camera with faster f1.6 aperture and 7-element lens that lets in 27% more light. iPhone 12 Pro also features a 52mm telephoto camera for stunning portraits. So iPhone 12 Pro delivers high-quality optical images at 3 different focal lengths with 4x optical zoom range. The larger size of the iPhone 12 Pro Max provided us with an opportunity to do even more with our Pro camera system. And here's Andrew to tell you all about it.